What is this? What? What am I seeing? Hello? What is that? Is that a retirement ceremony? Let me clean it off a little bit. Wow, it is a retirement ceremony. And it's for Dennis Mendoza? Whoa, you're finally retiring, bro. You're doing it this time. Outstanding, bro. Hey, sorry I can't be there in person, brother. You know I would love to be there. I'm over here in Rhode Island. Thank you for everything, man. You've had my back since day one. Maybe day two. Day one, you could have told me how far Temecula was from San Diego. But it's okay, bro. I love you. Truly, you really did have my back. And to everybody in the room, every single one of you, I see you, CS2 Reeves. I know you express the same feelings. It's a great day. Congratulations, you, Melody, and the kids. Take a couple weeks off, grow your beard out, be a stay-at-home dad for a little bit till Melody gets tired and kicks you out, go back to work. But hey, brother, love you. I have your back always. All right, Bird.
Dennis,
out.
Congratulations to you and your family on an amazing naval career and your retirement. In this game of life, similar to Catan, good luck on your next move, brother.
Hello, Dennis. Si Andy ito. Congratulations on your retirement. Congratulations to the family as well. Give my regards to Melody. And, you've done so much. 26 years. You've been one of those people who have, you helped me from when I was in Guam. Actually, Guam is one of the highlights of my career. That's where I think I could say I excelled. My performance and yung military growth ko, and also my military career, that's where I excelled. Because I will not be able to do that without your leadership, your mentorship. The chief's mess there, all my leaders there in Guam has been very helpful and everything. And you're one of those factors. That's why I would never be on this stage. I would never be a chief without your guidance also. So thank you for everything, and very excited for your new chapter. Well, susunod din ako. So my retirement is September 12th. So, I guess congratulations to both of us then, But really, Dennis, thank you for everything. I trusted you back then. I know you got my back as one of my leaders. You took care of me. Your mentorship talaga, it really helped. You guided me, and then you're the kind of person who made me realize, because sometimes as the LPO for the lab department back then, I make decisions. Pero ikaw is like, it's a good thing I have an open mind, because you're the one who showed me the different side, the different point of view. And I made, I realized a lot of things. So thank you for that. Okay, so congratulations.
Hello, Dennis. Happy retirement. Wishing you the happiness of your new journey on the next years. Remember that when you are retired, you don't have a day off, right? And it's time to help your wife the home chores every day. All right. Thank you again. Thank you.
Congratulations sa retirement mo, Dennis. I wish you the best. And thank you for your service. Ingat. And I love you, balong ko.
Hi, Kuya. Gusto ko nang sabihin na congrats, happy retirement. Ayan. Enjoy in life na lang. Ganun. See you soon. Congrats. Bye-bye.
Hi, Dennis. I want to say thank you for the 26 years of service. Congratulations on your retirement. It's a well-deserved retirement, and I'm so happy for you. Best wishes and success in your next chapter.
Congrats, Kuya Dennis! Masaya ako at nakakasama na kayo ng asawa mo at mga anak ng matagal. Naway, maharap mo na ngayon ang panibagong buhay na darating sa inyo. Congratulations
Welcome, Kuya Dennis, sa retirement life. More travel to you and Ate Melody. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Congratulations on your retirement, Kuya. We wish you the best and thank you for your service. Ikaw muna! Salukik!
Hi, Dennis. Good luck on your new journey. I love you, Balong.
Congratulations on your retirement.
Congratulations, Tito Dennis.
Hope you enjoy your retirement. Thank you for your service.
Salamat po for everything you did and everything you did for this country.
Thank you for your service, Tito Dennis, and I hope you enjoy your retirement. See you soon. Yes.
Congratulations on your retirement. But anyway, congratulations to you and your family. Congratulations, Dennis. Congratulations.
Enjoy your retirement.
And bro, behind you is your wet down socket barrel.
And hopefully your next job.
You won't lose too much hair.
Aloha.
Hello, Kuya. Kamusta na?
Dennis. Happy ka? Hello, Dennis. Retired ka na pala. Ibig ko sabihin, pagod ka na sa serbisyo mo, kaya magre-retiro ka na. Unang-una, magpasalamat ka sa Panginoon, hindi ka niya pinabayaan, at hindi ka niya pinabayaan, nilalayo ka niya sa kapahamakan, saan ka mamadistino. Ano pa ba? Kung ano man ang balak mo sa next journey, alam ko na pag-isipan mo yan, lalong-lalo na sa pamilya mo, para sa pamilya mo. Mag-enjoy ka, mag-enjoy kayo, mag-tour ka kayo. Gusto ko maging masaya ka, kasi yun ang gusto namin. Gusto ko happy ka.
Hello. Hello, Dennis. Enjoy mo lang yung retirement mo. Tapos, para at least makakasama mo ng medyo matagal-tagal yung mga pamilya mo. Mapagsisilbihan mo rin kahit paano yung mga anak mo, mahihatid mo, matuturuan mo. Ngayon kung ano naman yung binabala mo, gaya sa tito mo, tuloy mo lang yan kung para sa pamilya mo, kung alam mong ikabubuti at ikakaginhawa ng iyong buhay. Go! Good luck na lang sa bagong, kung ano ang magiging journey mo, kung ano man tatahakin mo ulit. Basta tandaan mo lang, pag-ingatan mo yung sarili mo, para sa pamilya mo. Kasi maliliit pa yung mga anak mo, kailangan ka pa nila. Ate Melody, mag-ano lang kayo, mag-enjoy lang kayo. Ha? Sige.
Kuya, happy retirement and congrats. We miss you.
Okay.
May konting kanta.
For he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow,
Which nobody can deny.
which nobody can deny, which nobody can deny. Bye-bye, good luck. Bye.
Imuna.